How to manage Gemini connected apps. This tutorial shows you how to control which apps Gemini has access to on your Android device. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left to open the side menu. From there, tap the gear icon at the bottom right of the side panel, then tap Settings at the bottom. Once inside, tap Personal Intelligence, and then tap Connected Apps. This is where all the apps and services that can be linked to Gemini are managed. At the top, you'll find Google Workspace, which includes all of Google's core apps like Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Calendar. Tap on any of them to connect or disconnect them from Gemini. Scrolling further down, you'll find additional services, including Search, Google Photos, YouTube, and Google Home, as well as YouTube Music. Connect whichever ones you want Gemini to have access to based on your needs. You'll also find device apps listed further down, such as Samsung Notes and Samsung Reminders. These can be connected so Gemini can pull information from them, or disabled if you'd rather keep them separate. Keep in mind, the more apps you connect, the more context Gemini has to work with, making its responses more personalized and useful. But if privacy is a concern, you can always leave certain apps disconnected and only enable the ones you're comfortable with. And that's it. If this guide helped you manage your Gemini connected apps, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.